Welcome to another edition of Canadian Smoking. Today we'll be making another pattern of Canadian smoking. Now this is the pattern for the smoking. You can see the box is 1 inch squared. So now this will be the pattern. This star line, because we'll be tracing our thread from here, from this point to this point to this point to this point, then come back to this point. Then we'll now secure it at this point. So all of them will meet at this point. That's why I put this star. Now we'll be making use of this material. You can see this is the smooth side. This is a doll face fabric. So this is the rough side. That's where I sketched. I transferred this to the fabric. Welcome to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. My name is Charles Peace. Now let's start immediately. You can see I've already marked all the places. So you see all the gaps. Each one you leave one gap. Each one will leave one gap, both to the down part. Is my material. I'll start from the upper side. Now I'll first pick it from this point. From this I'll pick the point here. To this point. Make sure you drag it to make a star. This star is very important. So have 4 edges like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are stopping by for the first time, kindly pause, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. If you have not watched the first one we did, please make sure you watch it. Now, when you are doing it, make sure there is no part that is inside. You make sure you drag, like this one now that is inside. I have to make sure I bring it up. You bring it up to the shape you want. You can see that, to the expected shape. Because anything, anyhow, any shape it is, it will reflect at the front. You can see, like you can see this one now. I've not positioned it well, so I have to now put it well for the shape to come out. Okay guys, you can see how beautiful this design looks. It's very, very beautiful. We're actually done with this. You can see the back side, how it looks like. It's very beautiful. Now the front parts. Wow, this is what we call Canadian smoking. See how it looks like. Very gorgeous and beautiful. You can see that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Do you like the video? Drop your comment at the comment section. Share it to your friends. So watch out for the next interesting style. We'll be making different types of it. And after this, just click on the bell icon, or if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you will receive notification on our upcoming videos. We'll be ties of this. Thank you for watching. Bye.